How to change your Gmail address or your email ID. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to change your email ID. Click on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. Move into General and then head over to Account and Device Preferences. It will redirect you to this page. So right here you can see it says Change Contact Email. Click on it. Now you can simply erase the previous ID and then enter the new one that you prefer. Once you are done, tap on Save. Now you will receive one verification mail on your email address. You need to open that mail and verify your email address. Once it has been done, your email ID will be successfully changed and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to change your Gmail address or your email ID. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.